Rajdeep, you were talking about this last few seconds. 6 seconds on the clock. It looked like it would become a tie. Fortunately, the likes of Srijesh keeping their nerves ensured that didn't happen. We'd have been talking about a completely different result now had that happened in those last 6 seconds.
Absolutely, and that's because Indian hockey has a tradition in the last 40 years in particular of losing from winning positions. That's I think what was the fear that many hockey fans had, that would the team wilt under pressure. And when that penalty corner with 6 seconds to go was given to the Germans, you feared the worst. But Srijesh has stood tall as he has for a very long time. He will go down in history as one of the great goalkeepers. And remember 1964 Tokyo, India won gold. And that was defeating Pakistan, and then there was a great goalkeeper called Shankar Lakshman, who was the hero of the Indian 1964 squad. Srijesh is one of the many heroes of this Indian team. I want to read out the names to you once again, because as I said, we should tell our next generation the names. PR Srijesh, Hamanpreet Singh, Rupinder Pal Singh, Surinder Kumar, Amit Rohidas, who was magnificent when he came out to stop every penalty corner, deserves a huge applause, as do all these players. So, Birinder Lakra, putting up the great tradition, that India has had from his part of the world of producing world-class players. Hardik Singh will be remembered for that magical goal that he scored in the quarterfinals that took us to the semis in that match against England. Manpreet Singh, he's the captain of the team and been the talisman. Vivek Sagar Prasad, one of the younger players. Neelkant Sharma, Sumit. And then the forward, Shamsher Singh, Simanpreet, Dilpreet Singh, Gurjant, who had a very strong game this time, Lalit Kumar Upadhyay and Mandeep Singh. So these are the men who followed. This is the great moment since 1980 and before that 1975, the last 3 great moments in Indian hockey. 75 gold in the World Cup, 80 gold at Moscow, and now the bronze in 2021, a return to the podium at the Olympics. And as I said, I hope that all these names are etched in the collective memory of this generation, and we truly fed them. Khel Ratna, Anurag Thakur walked the talk. Khel Ratna for Team India in hockey. Give it to an individual if Ravi Kumar Dahiya wins the gold today, and give it to the team. Let's have it shared. Let's call it, and I've always believed, Akshita, and this may be, this may be controversial, it should be called the Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna. Dhyan Chand was the first great post-independence Olympian. The medal, the biggest prize in Indian sport should be named after a sports person. I would call it the Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna, and give it to Team India in hockey, and hopefully Ravi Kumar Dahiya, if he wins that goal, or Neeraj Chauhan, who throws the javelin tomorrow, and maybe he too will win a gold.
Let's hope so. Let's hope that, all of our athletes do us proud. They've been doing a great job so far in Tokyo. They deserve all the recognition that we can give them. And we need to really start doing that. We need to celebrate our athletes. We need to celebrate every single time they win big, every single time they give it their all. And that's what our broadcast currently is all about. Recognizing our hockey players, knowing full well that they've scripted history, overcome challenges on a world stage like the Olympics, and really brought laurels for India. I want to get you more reactions, get you the color on the ground. Celebrations are broken out across India. 1 billion prayers were answered by this team, by the men in blue, by the hockey team. Here are the reactions that are coming in from their family members.
बहुत खुशी है इतने सालों के बाद ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जित के आए हैं। बहुत टफ मैच सी लास्ट सैकेंड तक भी, बट बहुत वधिया खेडे है ते हार्ड वर्क के बाद भी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल लेके आए, वो भी इतने सालों के बाद इंडियन हॉकी के लिए गोल्ड मेडल ही होना चाहिए।
सानू बहुत खुशी है कि अज दा मैच जिहड़ा साडे बच्चे ने जित लिया, और पंजाब दा और इंडिया दा नाम जिहड़ा इन्हां ने रोशन कीता इस टीम ने। गोल्ड मेडल समझदे हो? हां असि गोल्ड मेडल इसनूं समझदे हैं। बहुत बढ़िया बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है, जीत गया है, जैसे हिस्ट्री लिखी गई। 40 साल बाद इन्होंने बालगढ़ तो बाद ओलंपियन पहली जित लिया, अपनी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जित लिया। बहुत खुशी वाली गल है, बहुत ज्यादा खुशी वाली गल।
मतलब खुशी के आंसू है, खुशी के आंसू।
मैं उसका धूमधाम से स्वागत करूंगी बड़ी अच्छी तरह। मना पूरी उम्मीद थी भाई मेरा बेटा यूं तो गोल्ड मेडल लेकर आएगा।
बहुत बढ़िया,
बहुत टेंशन थी, बाहर बैठी थी मैं।
बहुत खुशी की बात है मैडम, क्योंकि लास्ट तक आज हमने पूरा मैच देखा और साथ में फैमिली भी थी, तो 5-4 जब स्कोर था तो काफ़ी टेंशन थी, क्योंकि हॉकी में एक गोल का गैप कोई ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता। तो लास्ट में भी उन्होंने काफ़ी प्रेशर बनाए रखा इंडिया पे, लेकिन उसके बाद भी डिफेंस अच्छा खेली और 5-4 से हम विन हुए हैं और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मिला है, तो काफ़ी खुशी की बात है। हमारे पूरा देश सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है क्योंकि ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया और हम यहाँ पे अच्छे से भाई का वेलकम करेंगे। हम नया घर बना रहे हैं उसके लिए, तो काफ़ी खुशी है सभी को।
किस तरह की खुशी आज?
बहुत खुशी है भैया, कोई अंत ना हो खुशी का।
पिछली बार इस बार ठीक हो गई?
हाँ, बहुत खुशी है।
सुबह से क्या कर रही थी, किस तरह से मना रही थी?
बस भगवान से ही बनाते ली के लोग के मेडल मिल जाए, जीत जाए, लोगन जीत जाए, बस बहुत खुशी है। कोई अंत है खुशी का ना हम लोग बखान कह सके।
ये एक उदाहरण के तौर पर रखा जाएगा वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री में, हॉकी की हिस्ट्री में। ये मैच ऐसा खेला गया है इस ब्रॉन्ज मेडल को, जो मैंने 20-30 सालों के अंदर ऐसा मैच नहीं देखा है। ये मैच एक एग्जाम्पलरी पेश करेगा, जहां पर जो भी कोचिंग सेंटर्स हैं और दुनिया भर की, वो इस मैच को दिखाएंगी, ऐसा मेरा मानना है, क्योंकि मैच हाई पिच के ऊपर खेला गया है।
भारतीय हॉकी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई, जिन्होंने भारत को एक और मेडल जिताया है और 135 करोड़ भारतीयों को चेहरे पर खुशी लाए हैं। इन्होंने अपने प्रदर्शन के कारण, अपने खेल के कारण न केवल पदक जीता है, 135 करोड़ भारतीयों का दिल भी जीता है। 40 वर्षों के बाद एक बार फिर हॉकी टीम ने मेडल जीता है। भारतीय मेंस हॉकी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Anurag Thakur there also, in fact, saluting our hockey team, saluting our men in blue for all the laurels and recognition that they brought us. Rajdeep Sardesai is still with us. Rajdeep, you know, you were making a point about how we need to recognize this team. We need to recognize our players. And it's been a long-drawn debate in India, hasn't it been, about hockey not being recognized as much as cricket. Even the whole debate over Dhyan Chand not getting a Bharat Ratna.
You know, those debates will continue, but the fact, and it's possible that once the World T20 comes, the IPL comes, cricket will once again be the flavor of the season. But I think this win will inspire a generation. I do believe that there are lots of young kids out there who want to play Olympic sports, whether it's hockey, badminton, wrestling. You know, there are lots of young Indians who have the opportunity, and I think as you will find, Akshita, that the countries with the higher per capita income tend to do better at the Olympics, because that, you know, gives incentives to private entrepreneurship to also invest in sport, and I'm sure that will happen in India. So I think better days are around. You know, I'm going to leave you because I've got something today to celebrate with. No, I'm not having this, I'm having water, but you know, who knows what's inside this as well. Today is a day to pop the bubbly and celebrate. You know, let's forget about what happens in the future, Akshita. Today is the day to remember the names who brought glory to the country on this day of 2021. It's the month of August. It's the month of independence, the month of the Quit India movement. It's the month to celebrate the idea of India once again recapturing its hockey glory. You know, bronze today, gold in Paris. I'm going to celebrate, Akshita, because I've been with you for an hour, and I've got friends now WhatsApping me from across the world of our school hockey team, each of them excited by what's happened. You know, that excitement, as I said, we are all walking taller today as Indians, and I think that makes a huge difference to feel the spirit of being Indian. Salute to the players, their families, you know, all those who helped them over these years, and I hope we in the media also recognize Olympic sports much more. We do stories around these players. It cannot just be, you know, about Virat Kohli's Instagram photo. I want to see Manpreet, Amit Rohidas, Srijesh. I want to see, you know, when they tweet, let's make stories out of them. Let's make them heroes. That's the way we inspire the next generation, by making heroes of today's heroes, so that they, you know, are role models for the future. So terrific day for Indian sport and Indian hockey. And the best is yet to come. 4:20 p.m. Don't forget, Ravi Daya wrestling, hopefully a gold, and Neeraj Chopra tomorrow with his javelin. Hopefully Neeraj will also bring us glory tomorrow morning. So we could have 3 golds, who knows, or at least 2 golds by the end of this Olympics.
Hockey team, let's hope they also follow in the men's team example and get us a bronze. Rajdeep, I'm going to let you enjoy your Bailey. Unfortunately, with the rest of India, you can celebrate. I'll have to wait for at least an hour or so till I get off from the studio and then join in on the celebrations. But we've got no, greater pleasure than to bring this broadcast for you here on India Today. We were keeping our fingers crossed for this moment. We were all praying for this moment. We were praying that our men's hockey team would do us proud. And boy, have they done it. They've scripted history. They've won the bronze medal. The moment they step on that podium to receive their medal will be a moment that a billion Indians will be so very emotional about. And as we get you all of the, videos of celebrations that have broken out across the country, look at those screens on, look at the visuals on your screens really of the 1980 team versus now. 41 years. We've gone without a medal in the Olympics. Now finally, we've got a medal in the Olympics, a bronze medal. There may be questions about why a bronze. We should go for gold. Remember that this is no small feat by the Indian hockey team. To defeat a team like Germany in such a high-scoring game with so much at stake, they did it. They won bronze. Even seconds to go, there was so much pressure. They didn't give in. And what you see on your screens is that historic moment, what many will remember from 1980 when India won an Olympic medal. 41 years, we had a medal drought. No medals came our way. This team has ended that, and that's why we keep harping on the fact that this is nothing short of history. This is something that generations will remember, as Rajdeep said, will inspire so many youngsters to pick up a hockey stick, to say that this is the career that we want to follow. We want to follow our passion because there's a future there. And that's what this kind of a win does. It really transforms how you look at the sport itself, and it really transforms how a nation looks at the sport. And that's why on India Today, we'll continue celebrating the story of these men. We'll continue celebrating this hockey team for all that they've done for the nation, bringing glory to India on a platform no less than the Olympics. 1980 was the last time we did it. We celebrated our hockey champs then. Since then, there's been a thirst for medals, which this team has now finally ended. Yes, we didn't make it to gold, but we managed to get our hands on a bronze. Top 3, huge accomplishment by our men in blue. In Tokyo, the celebrations are continuing. Boria Majumdar will be joining us in some time from now to get us voices of these hockey players, what they have to say. We've also been showing you how they've been video calling their family members. They've been sending out messages to them. They want to share this moment with their family members, and rightfully so, because that's something also that I spoke about how this is a moment for them also to celebrate. The families, given so much, sacrificed so much so that these men can do us proud on a world stage. Let's hope that this is the beginning of much more good news for India at the Tokyo Olympics. I'm slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back, getting you all the latest on the celebrations as the men's hockey team did it. They've won a medal at the Tokyo Olympics. They've done the country proud.